Lesson: Establishing Governance Accountability. Establishing governance accountability is a critical component of any AI governance framework. Accountability ensures that the deployment and use of AI technologies are aligned with ethical principles and societal values. It is crucial for minimizing risks, enhancing trust, and ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. As AI systems become more complex and pervasive, establishing clear lines of accountability becomes imperative for organizations striving to maintain ethical standards and operational excellence. This lesson delves into the core elements of governance accountability within AI, offering actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that professionals can directly implement to address real-world challenges. Governance accountability in AI involves defining clear roles and responsibilities, establishing processes for oversight, and ensuring transparency in decision-making. One effective framework for structuring accountability is the RACI matrix, which stands for responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. This matrix helps delineate the roles of various stakeholders in AI projects, ensuring that each task is clearly assigned and accountability is unambiguous. By implementing a RACI matrix, organizations can prevent overlaps in responsibilities and ensure that all stakeholders are aware of their roles and the expectations placed upon them. For instance, in the context of AI development, the RACI matrix can clarify who is responsible for data collection, who is accountable for the outcomes of the AI model, who needs to be consulted during the ethical review process, and who should be informed about the results. This structured approach not only enhances accountability, but also fosters collaboration among different teams and departments, ultimately leading to more ethical and effective AI solutions. In addition to role delineation, establishing governance accountability requires robust oversight mechanisms. One practical tool for this is the implementation of AI ethics boards or committees. These boards should be composed of diverse stakeholders, including ethicists, technologists, legal experts, and representatives from affected communities. The primary function of these boards is to evaluate AI projects from an ethical standpoint, ensure adherence to governance frameworks, and provide guidance on complex ethical dilemmas. By adopting this practice, organizations can ensure that ethical considerations are integrated into the decision-making process from the outset, rather than being an afterthought. A case study that exemplifies the effectiveness of AI ethics boards is the implementation by Google of its Advanced Technology External Advisory Council, which was designed to oversee the ethical implications of AI technologies developed by the company. Although the council faced initial challenges and was eventually disbanded, it highlighted the importance of diverse perspectives and the need for transparency in ethical oversight. The lessons learned from this initiative underscore the necessity for clear mandates, diverse participation, and transparent operations in establishing effective governance accountability structures. Furthermore, transparency is a cornerstone of accountability. Organizations must establish mechanisms for transparent reporting and communication of AI system decisions and processes. One practical approach to achieving transparency is the use of model cards, a tool developed by Google AI to provide detailed documentation of the performance, limitations, and ethical considerations of AI models. Model cards offer a standardized way to communicate the characteristics of AI systems to stakeholders, enabling informed decision-making and fostering trust. By adopting such tools, organizations can ensure that stakeholders, including end users and regulatory bodies, have access to critical information about AI systems, thereby enhancing accountability. In addition to internal measures, external audits and assessments play a vital role in establishing governance accountability. Third-party audits provide an independent evaluation of AI systems, ensuring that they comply with ethical standards and legal requirements. These audits can identify potential biases, privacy concerns, and other ethical issues, providing organizations with actionable insights to improve their AI governance practices. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation has set a precedent for external accountability by requiring organizations to conduct data protection impact assessments for high-risk AI systems, thereby embedding accountability into the regulatory framework. Moreover, fostering a culture of accountability within an organization is essential for the sustained success of governance frameworks. This involves creating an environment where employees are encouraged to raise ethical concerns, report noncompliance, and participate in continuous learning about AI ethics and governance. Tools such as anonymous reporting mechanisms and regular ethics training sessions can empower employees to uphold ethical standards and contribute to a culture of accountability. By embedding these practices into organizational culture, companies can ensure that accountability is not merely a procedural requirement, but a fundamental value that guides all AI-related activities. Establishing governance accountability also necessitates the alignment of AI initiatives with broader organizational values and goals. This alignment can be achieved through the implementation of value-sensitive design principles, which integrate ethical values into the design and development of AI systems. VSD involves identifying stakeholders' values early in the design process and ensuring that these values are reflected in the technical specifications and functionalities of the AI system. By adopting VSD, organizations can ensure that their AI technologies align with both organizational objectives and societal expectations, thereby enhancing accountability and trust. In conclusion, establishing governance accountability within AI frameworks is a complex but essential task that involves clear role delineation, robust oversight mechanisms, transparency, external audits, a culture of accountability, and alignment with organizational values. By leveraging practical tools such as the RACI matrix, AI ethics boards, model cards, and value-sensitive design, organizations can effectively address the ethical and operational challenges posed by AI technologies. These strategies not only ensure compliance with legal and ethical standards, but also foster trust and collaboration among stakeholders, ultimately contributing to the responsible development and deployment of AI systems. As AI continues to evolve, the importance of governance accountability will only grow, making it imperative for professionals to prioritize these practices in their organizations.